Hi, this is Beth from Persis Medical coming to you with the tip of the day, how to reload our NIO simulation device. Once you have successfully deployed the NIO simulation device, to reload it, you're going to take your NIO casing along with this donut-shaped reloader. You'll notice it says adult. Our NIO says adult. You're going to line this up. It's more wide at the wings after it's been deployed, and it's more wide here. So you're just going to line up adult to adult. It's going to sit right on top. It doesn't sit down deep or anything. You're going to take your hand like a bunny hopping through the forest. You're going to take your bunny ears, put them on top, and then your palm, and you're going to gently compress down. Once you hear that lock, that spring has now been reloaded. You're going to go ahead and lock the device. You're going to take it off of its donut. You're going to go ahead and pick up the NIO simulation stabilizer. You're going to twist it to a lock mode, and now is ready to reuse.